Another thing I would like to let you know about these rims, you're gonna have to use spacers or something, because look how that nut is placed. The actual Allen heads for that is sticking out longer than this bolt. You see this? There's this nut here. I mean, these bolt heads on these Allen nuts are sticking out more. Like, you know, see this one has clearance for the freeway to be there. Well, this one, it does not. The actual bolts are there. And also, if you're like my frame, you're gonna have to actually tighten this up all the way. I'm not using force to tighten it up, but once you tighten it up, you have the clearance for the Allen bolts for it won't hit the frame. You can see. I'm gonna show you a video with the bike with the rims. I put these red valve stems. They're from like Slime. I bought these for my other bike a while back. I didn't like them, so I swapped them, but I still had an extra set, so it looks decent on this one. Let me just show you how it looks on the bike right now. Alright, this is how it's going to look with the chain tensioner that I'm going to run. C-clamp, bars, and the frame. This thing really stands its ground. It's really big. It's like those 29er BMX bikes who are it just looks real big compared to this. How well this thing squats. Let me find a better angle. Let me just move this one, and we'll put a different angle. Here's a better angle. You can see the bike's pretty tall, mainly due to the forks being so high, but I did want suspension on it. It has the right rake on the top, so I should get a lot of good suspension travel. It actually looks a lot nicer in person. The video really doesn't do much. You can see the background. The mission tractors, chain tensioners. I still gotta get some nuts for the back. You can see they're the same brand. And then the cranks. So that's it.